So you don't know a mad something. Have a sheet. And we'll come with the sheet and you know a problem when we reach. Style good between the sheets. Me nah no old and nah no stinking underneath. Stop me tonight, let me tear out the sheet. Beat up me fat pum pum underneath. So me I gonna do it on me under the sheet. Bite up me lip and a tear.
I know you like the way I whine between the sheets. Baby, come over, let me scream and grab the sheets. Stab me tonight, let me tear up the sheet. Beat up me fat pum pum underneath. So me I go do it when me under the sheet. Bite up me lip and I tear up the sheet. The man I say me smell good between the sheets. Me nah no odor, nah no stinking underneath. Stab me tonight, let me tear up the sheet. Beat up me fat pum pum underneath. Man tell me say me little pum pum sweet. Him like how me bubble and wine in the sheet. Stab out me meat under the sheet.
This is a Facebook era. But a spice I'm come for talk about the sheet. A sheet around the place. Hashtag sheet challenge. I thought me come for talk about the sheet. Tell them Shan. But a sheet. She got to go by the place people. It's bad. Tell this she talk to them. Sheet. Sheet danger. Sheet danger. Tell them about the sheet danger. Listen. I think it's actually. I don't mean it. I'm saying it again. I don't know where I go. I think I don't know where I go. Keep it alive. Tell me come it. Tell me come it.
I know you like the way I whine between the sheets. Baby, come over, let me scream and grab the sheets. Stab me tonight, let me tear up the sheet. Beat up me fat pum.
Yeah, brother. Danger alone. Danger alone are the 3 pound of rice. One split it off.
I got you back. Come, I got you, sir. Yo, Sophie, work the traffic for me. I'm going to get one of them boys. I'm going to lick them.
So it doesn't matter what, like people bash you out there and say this and that, I have real good fans.
Yeah.
And I have to big them up for supporting me over the years.
Are you never not Spice?
Of course.
When are you not Spice?
When I'm home, I'm not Spice. When
So
I'm with my kids.
who are you when you're home?
I'm Grace Hamilton.
Grace
Yeah.
Hamilton.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And who is Grace Hamilton?
Grace Hamilton
Describe her to us.
Grace Hamilton is a total opposite from Spice.
Mm.
She's more laid back, easygoing, don't like the hair, want to cut off the wig and just stay home and be a natural self, take off the nails, cook some food,
Nice.
you know, speak properly to my kids. Like, she's just the total opposite.
Yes.
Like, you know, Grace Hamilton is just very shy, easygoing, down to earth, just cool and just like to be in my house. A friend of mine started
Oh, mommy, I wish she ever clean. In me house, no smell like sardine. Back in right home to the sheet. Walk up with pick come and I love it. Best for nice, them love off the sheet. Me winding at the dance in the store of the sheet. Me know I can sheet. Me tell you me no only at the street. Me no for up the sheet. Back in right home to the sheet. Walk up with pick come and I love it. The sheets. Come me tonight, let me tear up the sheet. Beat up me fat pum pum underneath. So me I go do it when me under the sheet. Bite up me lip and I tear up the sheet. Them man I say me smell good between the sheets. Me nah no odor, nah no stinking underneath. Come me tonight, tonight, let me tear up the sheet. Beat up me fat pum pum underneath. So me I go do it when me under the sheet. Bite up me lip and I tear up the sheet. The man I say me smell good between the sheets. Me nah no odor, nah no stinking underneath. Stop me tonight, let me tear up the sheet. Beat up me fat pum pum underneath. Man tell me say me little pum pum sweet. Him like how me bubble and wine inna the sheet. Stab out me meat under the sheet. So me I go do it when me under the sheet. Stab out me meat under the sheet. So me I go do it when me under the sheet. Nice and clean bed, nah no dirty sheet. Room fresh and nice, house tidy and neat. Tear up the sheet, so me want you to do it. Me beat up me fat pum pum underneath. Come on me yard, cause me sheet ever clean. When me a wine, cocky hard fi go in. Stop me tonight, let me tear up the sheet. Beat up me fat pum pum underneath. Man tell me say me little pum pum sweet. Him like how me bubble and wine inna the sheet. When I'm between the sheets.
Wait,